Hi guys! Today we're gonna unbox some surprises. Let's see what I got. I wanna open this one first. This is interesting. Let's see. Whoa! Is this vegetables? Okay.
Show it to the camera first. Show it to the camera what you got. The first one.
I got vegetables, and let's see let's see this one. This is I think this is it. Whoa, a chocolate bar. Look like I got a chocolate bar. Okay, how about this one? Let's open it. And wow, what do I got? Ooh, that's a yummy donut. I got 2 donuts now. Look, I got a donut. And the next one I'm gonna open is this one. Let's see what I got. Wow, it's just white vegetables. Look, I got white vegetables. And I'll use this one now. See it? Wow, what is this? What is this?
Can I see?
What's this?
Show it to the camera.
What is this?
Can you see? It's a cookie.
I think it's about a green stuff. Is this a rotten cookie?
Rotten cookie.
I correct?
No, I think this is a chocolate. I don't know. Maybe it's cake.
2 flavor cake.
Well, I'm done unboxing. I will show you what I got. I got this one. I got this one. I got this one. I got this one. And I got this chocolate. And that's all. And I got more inside of me. Well, guys, it's all done for the day. I think you're gonna have so much fun. If you do, please give the video a like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
1, 2, 3.
Bye, guys. Mini world is a mini world after all. It's a mini world after Where's the veggie? Where's the veggie? Where's the veggie? So there's a mini world.